Take it away. Good technique. Hit. 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 Push with your leg and sit up. Sit up at every stroke. Looks really great. Now I said that I only want you guys to focus on 3 things, but I'm lying. I'm just adding 1 thing, smiling and breathing out. I don't know who said it, but someone have a good idea. Let's do a power 10.
What?
Let's do a power 10 and then go back to 70%, okay? So in power 10, remember what you focus on. So positive catch, really sit up, make Aiden panic, and push with your leg. So power 10 in 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, 70%. Together, come on. The idea of power 10 is help the boat moving. Help the boat moving.
I think they heard your warnings. I think they did.
Okay. You guys are halfway. Only half left. Keep doing it. Keep going it. Hit. 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 Together. 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 You guys got it. 2 minutes left. Looking really good. Smile. Smile. Breathe out. Breathe out. Okay, we have 1 minute left. Let's do one more power 10. Okay, but after this power 10, I want everyone to keep on paddling. You can have a shorter stroke. No? Okay. Maybe we should do power 20. Okay, I will save the power 10 to the last 10 seconds, okay? Okay. 30 seconds more. You guys got us. Who's strong? Busting out is strong. 20 more seconds. Power 10 in. 3, 2, 1, go! 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, job.